Let's see how to customize Pixel UI on Windows 11 laptop for free. Right-click the mouse. Hide your desktop icons. Download a wallpaper now and set it on your device. Go to Google Chrome and search for Rainmeter. First download the Rainmeter application. Click Download. Open the File Manager. Select Rainmeter. Install the Rainmeter app. Download the second file. Search for MD3 GitHub. Download the basic version. Download MD3 Windows zip file. MD3 zip file extract all. Install Rainmeter skin. Now you can customize your laptop and desktop. Style 1 is free and Style 2 is paid. You cannot use the paid version. Select the free version of Style 1. Now hide your taskbar. Right-click and go to Taskbar Settings. You can change the color of the taskbar if you want. Customize to your liking.